Yes, yes, it is audible. Yeah.
Here it is my code. My
My
project
project
name
name
is salary prediction.
here
I am
I am
writing
writing
the
the
my
my
code.
code.
Here
Here
I have
I have
used
used two to
three
three
libraries
libraries
in my
in
code.
my
First
code.
of all,
First of all,
I am
I am
using
using
import
import
pandas,
pandas which are used for the
pandas is
pandas is
used for
used for
data
data
manipulation
manipulation
tool
tool
purpose,
purpose,
and
and
numpy is
numpy is used for the
numerical
numerical
values.
values.
Next is
Next is
data is
data
equal
is
to
equal to pd.read.csv.
pd.read.csv. By
By
using this,
using this, we
we can
can
read
read
the
the
data
data
from the
from
R
the R
data set.
data set.
After that,
After
I
that,
have
I have
created
created
type a data.head.
type a
Here we
data.head. Here
I have
I have
gives the value
gives
after
the value
running
after
this.
running this.
It is
It is
given the,
given the,
if it
if
is a
it is a
one year
1 year
experience,
experience,
it will
it
give
will
the
give the
salary as a
salary as a
39
39
343.
343.
If
If
as
as the
year of
year of
experience
experience
increases, the
increases, the
salary will
salary
be
will be
increases.
increases.
Here we
Here
have
we have
used the
used the
data dot
data dot
column.
column.
Whenever
Whenever
I
I
want to
want to
see how
see how
many
many
columns are
columns are
there
there
in
in that
the
the
data set,
data set,
just
just
we
we
are
are
writing the
writing the
column, it
column,
will
it
give
will give
all the
all the
columns
columns
in the
in
data
the
set.
data set.
After that,
After that,
I have
I have
created
created
data is
data is
null.
null.
It will
It will gives
all the
all the
written
written
boolean
boolean
values, that
values,
is
that is
false or
false or
true.
true.
uh,
uh,
False and or
False
true.
and or true.
Next
Next
one is
one is
data
data
dot
dot
is
is
null dot
null dot
any.
any.
Any
Any
is
is
used
used
for,
for,
I have
I
to
have to
check
check
each and
each and
every
every
column,
column,
not for
not
row.
for row.
That
That
purpose we
purpose
have
we have
used the
used the
any
any
function.
function.
Next is
Next is
for
for
the
the
visualization
visualization
purpose,
purpose,
I have
I have
used
used
Matplot
Matplot
and
and
Seaborn
Seaborn
libraries
libraries
for the
for the
data
data
visualization.
visualization.
Here
Here
I
I
have
have
plot the
plot the
graph.
graph.
After
After
this
the this
statement is
statement is
going to
going to
run,
run,
here
here
the
the
plot will
plot
be
will be
seen.
seen.
These are
These
the
are the
x
x
values, these
values,
are
these
the
are the
y
y
values.
values.
uh,
Uh,
X
x
values
values
gives the
gives the
year of
year of
experience,
experience,
and
and
y
y
values
values
gives the
gives the
salary.
salary.
And here I
And
have
here I
write
have write
data.
a data.
And
And
y
y
is
is
equal
equal
to
to
data dot
data dot
salary, it will
salary, it
gives
will
me the
gives me the
salary.
salary.
Here
Here
y dot
y
head
dot head
gives the,
gives
if
the,
it is
if it is
0 year
0 year
experience, the
experience, the
salary will
salary
be
will be
there,
there,
and 1
and
year
1 year
experience,
experience
salary will
salary
be
will be
showing.
showing.
Extend
Extend
comma
comma
y
y
x
x
dot
dot
test,
test,
it will
it will
use to
use to
for the
for the
splitting of the
splitting of
data.
the data.
And
And
here we have
here we
used
have
R
used R
model,
model,
that is
that is
linear
linear
regression
regression
algorithm I
algorithm
have
I
used
have
in
used in
my
my
project.
project.
Next step
Next
is
step is
L dot
L dot
fit and
fit and
X train and Y
extend and
train,
y train, which
which
will
will
be
train the
train the
data.
data.
Here we
Here
can
we can
predict the
predict the
salary.
salary.
If it is
If it
a
is a
0 year
0 year
experience, then
experience,
how
then
much
how
is the
much is the
salary?
salary?
And
And
next step
next step, it will
gives
gives
the
the
output,
output,
that
that
is
is
my
my
project is
project is
point 89
.89
point is
point is
correct.
correct.
I have
I have
created a
created a
one
one
PPT
PPT
about
about
what is a linear
linear
regression
regression
and
and
what
what
is
is
machine
machine
learning
learning
exactly.
exactly.
Here it is,
Here it is,
what is
what
machine
is
learning
machine
and why
learning
we
and why
use
we use
machine learning.
machine learning. In past, we used have to data in structured format, but now as the volume of data is increasing, so the number of structured data becomes very less. So to handle the massive amount of data, we need the science techniques. That's why, and those data can be used to get the proper business insights and the hidden trends from them. Uh, Next is what is machine learning? Exactly, what is a machine learning? Machine learning is a subset of AI, and that allows a system to automatically learn and improve from the experience without being explicitly programmed. First of all, first step is the training of the data. Next is model building, and next is the testing of the data. Uh, here I have created the difference between traditional programming and machine learning. Uh, Traditional programming and machine learning. And next step is the various types of the machine learning, that is supervised learning, unsupervised learning, reinforced learning. I have used the algorithm which is a supervised learning algorithm, that is a linear regression algorithm. What is a supervised learning? Supervised learning works as a supervisor or as a one type of a teacher, like learning from the label data and applying to the knowledge to predict the label of new data is known as a supervised learning. Here it is the some algorithms of supervised learning, that is linear regression, logistic regression, decision tree, random forest. Thank you.
Yeah, Pratiksha. Yeah, you make my task easier. Okay, you have explained the basics. Thank you.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So, what was the learning overall?
It was good, ma'am.
Okay. So, what were the challenges you faced while performing this?
First of all, data set challenge.
Hmm.
Uh, whenever
Whenever
I
I
try to,
ma'am,
I can
I
stop
can
my sharing.
my sharing.
Yeah. You can.